Hey guys, Tony here. So I did get a couple requests on NIO, and let me tell you, I did like very basic TA before I realized that NIO is basically gonna run up and possibly break that downtrend that it's currently on. Yeah, I'm 100% bullish on NIO. The fact that I'm a little disappointed because I have been focusing more on crypto recently instead of stocks. And if I was focusing on stocks, I would have probably bought the dip right here on NIO. I would have probably purchased it right at 35.98, because it seems like that's gonna be that was the final structure point of NIO to like really to really stay somewhere, right? And the fact that it broke, I think it's gonna start rallying. Not necessarily, I don't want to say new highs, but I can definitely see it rallying to definitely bigger, higher prices. And again, that just kind of, my confirmation is just this resistance zone that is on the 54-ish, 56 level, right? So that just kind of confirms what I was already thinking, right? So let me actually, I think I'll put the next one up here. This one's perfectly, that one's fine right there. That's fine. Close to all-time highs. But again, the weekly, we are on a bullish cycle right now. We did hit that bull trigger on the weekly. The monthly is about to actually close bullish, so you would essentially be getting early in. Right now you do have the bear trigger on the daily, but again, you are over here on oversold, you are on the overbought section, and again right here. But usually a perfect sell would indicate actually, you know what, never mind, perfect sell is actually on the bottom of the zero line. So short term, you can definitely see NIO come back to this level of like 35 or so. But I think if it does come back here, I would say it's a pretty solid entry into NIO. I gotta say, it's been respecting that bull cycle pretty well, and you have all this room to run to the upside on the stock. I mean, look at that. You have all this room to run, all of this right here. And for the most part, NIO tends to respect the lows and the highs of the stochastic. So I would not be surprised to see NIO do something like they did back here. I definitely think that it's probably going to cross somewhere in this range. So maybe the 44, 45 level. Watch right here. Somewhere around that 50 MA, somewhere like right here. I definitely think we'll see NIO there. But why I'm so bullish is because the monthly is actually showing weak signs of bear momentum, which means that as soon as it actually crosses bullish, we might actually see the full push to the upside. And guess what happened last time? Last time NIO was bullish on the monthly, you saw this huge rally to the upside. Again, this rally is, when from November to like January, right before Biden got elected and the market, whatever stuff, right? But that was when we were in a huge bull market. But I do think that as of right now, I think NIO is extremely bullish, at least to this area, 44, 45 bucks. I think it's going to break that trend, and I think it's going to run past relative highs of 54 or something. And the good thing is that, you can probably use the breakout strategy from here to here on the weekly, and possibly take that to the next highs of closer to 66, maybe 70 bucks in new all-time highs. So I think NIO is extremely bullish right now. I would definitely be buying anywhere in this range from, I don't know, 39 to 35 bucks. Anywhere here, I definitely think it's a good buy. Anything above 41.80, I would probably still buy, but I would only buy if I think that NIO is going to be a great long-term investment. Anything above this region, for sure, I'm investing in the long term, right? Like if I'm investing up here, NIO valued at like a $60, $70 mark, then that means that I love the company and I think they're going to do great. But I think just as an entry point, you can see a major gain potential on NIO within the next possibly month or two, just by holding NIO, right? You can see last time you had a 63% gain from here to here. I think we're going to see a similar run of 21-28 from here to here. So you're still going to see somewhere like a 60% gain. I have a couple bucks that I actually still have. I'm probably going to end up throwing it at NIO on Monday. If it does drop to like 35 bucks, somewhere on this level, I will be buying NIO. I think NIO is a great, it's at a great buy-in entry right now. And I think for the most part, it's going to break trend. and it's probably going to return to all-time highs. Again, that's my own opinion, but at least what the TA is showing me, everything looks extremely bullish. Even the daily triggers haven't really done much to NIO. So if anything, you can probably see this trade a little bit lower, but I still think it'll stay in this range before it actually keeps running. But again, I'm super bullish on NIO right now. I think it's going to run to at least like 45, and I think there's an even higher probability that it runs closer to 56, possibly $60. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.